Located 23 miles south of Tucson, the San Xavier Mine provides mining engineering students at the University of Arizona with the opportunity to apply the knowledge they have learned in the classroom. The director, James Werner, has worked at the SX mine for the last 7 years.
So the students can pretty much come out here and get involved in anything they want to. So in the classroom they do their labs that they're supposed to, but when we do kind of what we call our student shifts, you name it, we let them do it. So everything from marketing to the business side, and we don't kind of pigeonhole them. They can week to week change kind of different things they want to learn. So anything they want, we try and give them.
Students are directly involved with operations in the 4-level mine that has a depth of 250 feet. Site manager and engineer Nicholas Caruso, a University of Arizona graduate himself, said that building connections and having the opportunity to work in the industry are among some of the benefits for students working at the mine.
Students have a great opportunity out here to actually get some hands-on experience. It's not just what you learn in the textbook, because in industry things can go wrong and go way different than what the textbook says. So they actually get to see what operations is like. Then another part of it is getting the contacts. Students get contacts with alumni to actually get future jobs and opportunities, and then actually have questions. They can contact someone in industry to help them out.